Regional Party All-Party Hills Leaders Conference has on Friday organized a protest rally come sit-in demonstration in demand of immediate scrapping of the subclause 2.3 of the peace accord. Here's a report from our correspondent. The regional party of the Twin Hill districts of Karbi Anglong do welcome the 6 underground groups who are also the prime signatories in the peace accord for laying weapons for peace, but has flayed subclause 2.3 of the agreement, stating that it is not acceptable to the people of the hill districts under any circumstance, as it would dilute the powers of the Autonomous Council formed under 6th schedule to the Constitution of India. APHLC Duar Amla constituency leader Habbe Intilijang reaffirmed party's stand, stating that keeping 10 seats for open category is unacceptable and must be junked immediately without any further delay. The APHLC Duar Amla constituency leader also said that the 6 signatories along with all the KAC elected representatives would all be regarded as traitors of the tribal people in the history of Twin Hill districts of Karbi Anglong.
APHLC pencenglok dak pini inglong arat pinangan nitun cingrum lo kacingrum nang ko thekela hen lo non lamdon ke cheto kalong long recap keche akhepan kepek det ke netum kroi thek lapen la long recap close 2.3 labang so close bang prap jin ben apor do sek labang withdraw nang yi la withdraw de bang ke la kacetok tum lamdon cetok tum mokebang jilangar ni alang nitum nong no lapen khurki mo along alang nitum se adai duji lake ni nitum kardak pen injelo lapen khepan kivir lut labang so a close 2.3 keche khepan longle ke pek det ke nitum kroi tek te nang tum kroi mara tum
Duar Amla APHLC President Longkitimung called upon the elected representatives to immediately junk the subclause for the survival and security of the tribal people and their ancestral land.
Duar Amla Eknong Duar Amla constituency ahin pen la peace accord alam puthak amutpi nili nengi det po la sa amutpi alam bang kelalo kidam tang September cheklu tarik kli la sit kep mane 10 seat open for all pu alam dona puthak nilitum APHLC song pen stame chedon dun de pu pinilitum nengduk chopaklang as tim Karbi Anglong tum hanstame nilitum na so nengduk lamang chopiklang lo lapen Assam state of hanstame lapen central atum hanstame la solam don bang ke chokche la daki tum Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council dake 6th schedule area pu chini det na phestame ili tuma phan pini lason asai bangang tum deng ponde do la sa hala risim kang tang kora tum nengkan ko an pene chitiming phat ka chopa chek la pen alana tum la so mon sa mate la so mon sa malam don dan po Karbi Anglong la so alam don bang la tum mesen dan po se Karbi Anglong arat angkang pe tum stame aneng kharong lo sitame alana tum la so lam don bang ka chito gunde da bangke ili tum ta neng duk pik an lo
Wiki-based report from Dongkamukam for Karbi Anglong Live.